Today we'll learn how to do book embroidery on this book. We will need two types of needle, one for stitching and one for punching holes in the book. We will also need a foam sheet that will help in punching the holes in the book. Let's begin. Place the hole pricking sheet under your book cover. Now take your thicker needle and gently prick the holes on the given design. ये step बहुत important है. It guides your stitches perfectly. Do this for all the stitches and the entire design और end में ये कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा. Thread the needle. Insert the needle threader through the needle. Put the thread inside the threader's loop and gently pull it back. Now let's start stitching. We will start with back stitch for the stem. For back stitch, start from the back, bring the needle up, make one small stitch forward, then bring the needle up again from a point behind the last stitch. That's why it's called back stitch. Simple, clean, and perfect for outlines. Do this for the entire line. अभी लीव्स के लिए हम लेजी डेजी स्टिच करेंगे. फॉर लेजी डेजी हम एक ही होल में से नीडल 2 बार डालेंगे ताकि एक लूप बन जाए. अब उस लूप को होल्ड करिए एंड सामने वाले पॉइंट से नीडले को ऊपर लेके इस लूप में से पास करेंगे. अब इस स्टिच को लॉक करने के लिए हम लूप के उस तरफ एक छोटा सा स्टिच डालेंगे. Do this for all the leaves like this. Perfect for cute little petals and leaves. Lazy daisy is basically a single detached loop. Once you've completed the stitch, flip your work to the back and gently slide the needle under 2 to 3 nearby stitches. Pull the thread through slowly to secure it without tightening too much. Trim the excess thread close. Your stitch is locked and neat. Woven wheel के लिए start from the top and one by one हम बाहर से stitch लाकर center में needle pass करेंगे. ये straight stitch है and इस तरह पूरा circle stitch कर दीजिए. अब center से needle ऊपर लेंगे and we will travel the needle alternately from all 5 points. And begin weaving over and under each spoke without piercing the fabric to build the woven wheel. Continue weaving in a circular motion until the center is full and the star shape disappears into a flower. The woven wheel stitch helps you create neat woven patterns without confusion. You just follow the wheel step by step and enjoy the process. Finish by taking the needle to the back, sliding it under 2 to 3 spokes to lock the stitch, and trim the excess thread neatly and done. Now, we will stitch this book. For this book, repeat the same steps. First, we will poke the holes with the thicker needle. Then we will start stitching. We will do back stitch for this. For back stitch, start from the back, bring the needle up, make one small stitch forward. Then bring the needle up again from a point behind the last stitch. That's why it's called back stitch. Simple, clean, and perfect for outlines. Do this for the entire line. Continue to do so till the end like this. And you are done. And that's it. Your first steps into paper embroidery are done. Happy embroidery!